Okay, hello guys. This is Peter Xiong. Happy holidays. I hope you guys are enjoying your break as much as I am. Um, Over the past few days, I made up this song, and I think it's awesome. Went on MacBook and started actually producing it, harmonizing to everything, and making you know, being part singer, vocalist, guitarist, whatever. It's garage band. You do whatever songs you want on there, and I thought it was pretty awesome, so I just started messing around with it, but. No, I actually think I want to post it up. First, I'll post it up on Facebook, but then, for you guys can like it and stuff, give me feedbacks, and then I'll post it up on YouTube and see how. Hopefully, you guys come and subscribe me there too. But I just want to say that I was inspired by my sister, of course. She was playing these chords and I just played along and just started singing, and then pretty soon I got made up a song. So kudos to her, and then kudos to my other siblings for just liking it too, and motivating me to finish this song up. But even though it is 2 minutes, it has lots of meanings. It's for those lovers who are out there and are questionable if they're still together or not. But it's your choice. There's two ways you could look at this song, right? But just have fun, enjoy it, sit back, like it, and subscribe to me. All right, guys. Thank you and happy holidays.
Ta kinh gió có bu trình gió thôi ya cu hai đâu có thâu cu bò có lưu shi quật thi ta sa gió thôi ya lưu shi trình gió lưu shi chỉ mơ đó cả lo cùng mà lưu có đủ giờ lưu shi hơi chỉ tao cùng mà chúa có tao có đủ. Thôi ra chi tao ua có chi vì cụ cho lưu trình nhỏ sai chi sai gái ngư ua cụ thơ cha có bôi gió tu cụ lưu lưu xia trình gió lưu xia chỉ mơ đó cả lo cùng mà lưu có đủ giờ lưu xì hơi chỉ ta